I'm Lily Mae with Glambitious Magazine, and part one of my question is for Essence and Vanessa. You both bring so much talent and charisma to the screen. What did you learn from each other while working on Queens of Christmas?
Oh, that's a good question. I was reminded how funny Essence can be. Sometimes when I work with Essence, it always seems to be dramatic or something. It's always a different genre. So I was reminded about how funny she can be and how much fun she is, and playing off of each other's comedic timing was fun. And Terry, is fun. And um, Terry and I, we had a lot of laughs because we both, direct too, and so we all had an Essence direct, so we just all had a lot in common, and just being, just it just was a good reminder about how solid my friends are and how good we can be together.
I love that. Thank you, Vanessa. And I agree, to to be around one another is to be inspired, both as an artist as well as women, right? It's like I look at Vanessa and as someone said earlier, right, the catalog is so extraordinary, right? I'm so grateful to be able to glean from that experience, to be able to have those relationships that you can have real conversations about, sometimes very challenging or personal things, is priceless.
Absolutely.
Would you like some decorating advice?
No, Nancy, I am perfectly fine.
Yeah, what she said.